Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 11, and today I will show you a couple of tweaks and tricks that you can do on your device. So we're going to start off with the ability to change the theme into dark mode, which previously was not very available. And to do it, you want to go into the display brightness and the settings. So display brightness, and then you have the option light and dark. If you change it to dark, you can see that everything turns dark, control panel or control center as well, and even the wallpaper. So all the stock wallpapers of iPhone that come in there basically have like two modes to them. So you can see this one is right now in the dark one, and if I would go back and change it, you can see clearly it turns to light. And there's multiple other ones that you can go see around, and even I believe that they're shown in two different states. If you would actually go into wallpapers and wherever they are, choose new wallpaper. As you can see, I think it's the live ones. Yeah, as you can see, basically it's like sliced in half, and you can see both of the states of the wallpaper in light and dark mode. Yeah. So moving on, we're gonna go into that screenshot, which I for some reason struggle with finding it in a way. But basically you hold volume up, or not even hold, you just tap on it like so. Previously you would hold it till it flashes. Now it's just tap, otherwise you will go into the power off, I think. Yep, there it is. So that's a simple one. Then moving on, we're gonna go into the screen recording, which can be accessible through the control center as long as you actually enable it here, because it's not really advertised anywhere. So you need to go into the settings, and then in the main page find control center right here, customize control center, and then find screen recording, which is right here. Tap on the plus, moves up the top right here, and now if I pull it down, you can see that there is a screen recording. And if I were to enable it now, let's say close this, and you get an icon that it's actually recording, and whatever I do now on the phone, it will be actually recorded. So if I stop it and click on the video itself, stop and continue, whatever, let's progress, you can see that it's playing right now everything I have recorded previously. So a neat feature that is kind of hidden. Now moving on, we're gonna go into a thing that I feel everybody should change, which is the video quality of your recording. So if you turn on the camera and you go into the video, I think by default it's 1080p at 30 even. We'll see in a second. But basically you can change the quality of the recording if you go into the main settings page and then go down to, I think it's camera, somewhere on the bottom right here, and you have record videos, and it's 1080p at 30 frames. So that's kind of outdated of a setting, so you can change it to 4K 60 or 4K 30 or 4K 24 if you want to have a cool little cinematic experience. But you can also keep it a smaller file size and go into 1080p at 60. Now I would always stick at 60, it just looks way better when you have twice as many frames than normally. So whatever you choose, and just tap on it. And now if you would go into the camera, just all at once. Now whenever you record the video, it will be at 4K 60. So the video will be way more smooth and will look a little bit better. So yeah. And the last thing I want to show is just a simple kind of, I guess, trick, not really sure how to call it, but whenever you change the volume, for instance, you get this little bar on the side, and normally if you want to change it, you have to continue clicking, but you can actually just, when you click on it once, you can actually drag it and move it around and change the volume quicker by just sliding that dial right there. But yeah, that will basically conclude the list, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.